Are you tired of trying different weight loss plans without seeing results? Well, look no further because I have the solution for you. A custom keto diet weight loss plan. With a custom keto diet, you'll be eating foods that are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats. This helps your body enter a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Not only will you be shedding pounds, but you'll also experience increased energy and mental clarity. One of the best things about a custom keto diet is that it's easy to follow. You'll have access to a wide range of delicious recipes that are tailored to your taste preferences. And don't worry, you won't have to give up your favorite foods completely. A custom keto diet allows for flexibility, so you can still enjoy occasional treats while staying on track. The personalized aspect of a custom keto diet is what sets it apart from other weight loss plans. You'll receive guidance from a team of experts who will create a plan that suits your individual needs. No more guessing what to eat or how much to eat. Everything will be laid out for you. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, you can always reach out to the support team for assistance. People who have tried a custom keto diet have seen impressive results. They have lost weight, improved their overall health, and gained confidence in their bodies. But remember, a custom keto diet is not a quick fix or a magic solution. It requires dedication and commitment to follow the plan consistently. Visit the link below this video and get a free cookbook with a 7-day keto diet course. Learn more about keto diet and how it can benefit your entire health.